Hormones are the chemical messengers of our body that plays a crucial role in metabolism. However, they are secreted in very least quantity. Significant change in hormone titer results severe disorders. Here, few of them are discussed. Let's start with the thyroid hormone disorders. The major thyroid hormone is thyroxine. Hypersecretion of thyroxine leads to Graves' disease. The disease is characterized by increased basal metabolic rate, that is BMR, and weight loss. Enlarged thyroid gland with protruding eyeball are common feature of this disease. The picture shows the clinical feature of a patient with protruding eyes. Hyposecretion of thyroxine causes following disorders: deficiency of iodine in food leads to colloid or endemic goiter. With increased size of the gland, this can be examined by physical checkup. Here, the picture shows that a doctor is examining the condition of thyroid gland of a patient suffering from endemic goiter. This can be treated by administration of iodine in food. Thus, our salt is iodized to prevent this disorder. Another hypothyroidism situation is observed in infants called cretinism. As thyroxine plays crucial role in development of central nervous system, that is CNS, hypothyroidism in expectant mother results baby with low IQ, mutism, that is inability to speak, and deafness, that is hearing disabilities. Mental retardation, stunted growth, and abnormal skin are also common features of this situation. Advanced hyposecretion of thyroxine results myxedema or myxedema coma, which is characterized by hypothermia, low blood sodium and oxygen level, and increased carbon dioxide concentration in blood, decreased breathing, swelling of face, coma, confusion, and mental slowness. Adrenal cortex hormone disorders. Excessive cortisol, that is the principal glucocorticoid secretion, results Cushing syndrome that shows non-cancerous tumor in adrenal cortex called adrenal adenoma. This disease is characterized by excess breakdown of body fat and deposition of fat in unusual area of our body like face and upper abdominal region, which results moon-like face, buffalo hump, and fish mouth. The picture shows patient with fat deposition in unusual area of his body. An autoimmune response that assaults adrenal cortex results hyposecretion of both the cortisol and aldosterone. This causes Addison's disease. An autoimmune response is a type of response that is triggered against own system or organ. The features of Addison disease are hypoglycemia and acute weakness, fatigue, hyperpigmentation, that is bronzing of skin, and increased susceptibility to stress are common clinical features of these disorders. The figure shows the fatigue and bronzing of skin. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe the channel.